Hi friends, myself Deacon Ray, working as a assistant professor in Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. Base A1 Chemistry Practical, Inorganic Experiment number 3, Quality Control, that is soda ash. Experiment number 3, Quality Control. Aim of this experiment is to determine percentage purity of the given sample of soda ash, that is the sodium carbonate Na2CO3 by titrometric method. Apparatus for this experiment is required: burette, pipette, conical flask, 100 ml volumetric flask, etc. Chemical for this experiment requires standard 0.1 normal HCl solution, that is the burette solution, sample of soda ash Na2CO3, that is the conical flask titrating analyte solution, methyl orange indicator, distilled water, etc. Principle of this experiment is soda ash is commercially obtained in anhydrous form of sodium carbonate. It is soluble in water and solution is alkaline to litmus due to hydrolysis of sodium carbonate. It reacts quantitatively with strong acid, that is HCl, sodium carbonate plus 2HCl to give NaCl plus H2O, and carbon dioxide is evolved from this reaction. Hence, purity of soda ash can be determined by titrating a known quantity of its solution against standard acid solution using methyl orange indicator. Procedure: two-step procedure. Part first, preparation of soda ash solution. Weigh accurately about 0.53 gram of given sample of soda ash, that is sodium carbonate, on watch glass by using analytical balance. Then transfer clean beaker dissolve it in minimum quantity of distilled water. Shake well, dissolve full of the soda ash, and then transfer this minimum quantity of soda ash dissolved solution in volumetric flask, 100 ml volumetric flask solution, along with its washing in 100 cm cube or 100 ml volumetric flask, and dilute it to up to mark 100 ml with distilled water. Shake well, and this is the first step for the analyte solution of soda ash. Second step, determination of percentage purity of soda ash in the solution, above prepared solution. First step, take 10 ml of this solution, above diluted solution of soda ash, in conical flask or titrating flask. Add 2 to 3 drop of methyl orange indicator. Then before addition of methyl orange indicator, colorless solution, then methyl orange indicator, add 2 to 3 drop, the change in color, colorless to yellow, and it titrate it against a supplied 0.1 normal HCl from burette. Then the end point of titration is yellow to pink, then conversion of yellow color to pink. Take 3 more reading and note down the constant burette reading, says x cm cube. From this, calculate percentage purity of soda ash. Addition of methyl orange indicator, then the soda ash solution change the color into conversion into yellow color, and up addition of 0.1 normal HCl, end point of titration, then conversion of the is pink color. Before titration, after titration. Observation of this experiment is: part first, weight of watch glass W1 gram, 18.113 gram of watch glass weight, and weight of watch glass plus soda ash sample W2 is equal to 18.130 plus 0.53 is equal to 18.66 gram. Third, weight of soda ash sample is W2 minus W1 is equal to W gram is equal to 0.53 gram of soda ash sample. Second observation is in burette 0.1 normal HCl solution, burette solution pipetted out soda ash solution 10 ml diluted solution soda ash solution, then addition of indicator methyl orange N point yellow to pink. Observation table, the final level, first reading is 8.2, second is 8.1 and third is 8.1. The constant burette reading is 8.1. That is the CBR of this soda ash experiment is 8.1 and the initial level is 0 and difference is 8.2, 8.1 and 8.1 in CBR is 8.1. Calculation of this experiment from the reaction given in principle, we can write 2 mole of HCl is equal to 1 mole of sodium carbonate. 1 mole or 1 equivalent of HCl is equal to one half mole of sodium carbonate. 1 upon 2 into 106 gram sodium carbonate is equal to 53 gram of sodium carbonate. That is our 1000 ml 1 normal HCl is equal to 53 gram of sodium carbonate. Now 10 ml cm cube diluted soda ash solution is equal to x cm cube of 0.1 normal HCl. 100 ml or cm cube diluted solution is equal to 100 into 8.1 upon 10 is equal to 10 into 8.1 cm cube 0.1 normal HCl. Again 1000 ml 1 normal HCl is equal to 53 gram of sodium carbonate. That is 10 into 8.1 ml 0.1 normal HCl is equal to 10 into 8.1 into 0.1 into 53 upon 1000. 8.1 into 0.053 gram of sodium carbonate is equal to a gram of sodium carbonate is equal to 0.4293 gram of the sodium carbonate. The quantity of a gram is the amount of soda ash in the weight W of the soda ash sample. That is W gram of sample is equal to 0.4293 gram of sodium carbonate. 100 gram of sample is equal to 100 into 0.4293 upon 0.53 is equal to B gram of sodium carbonate is equal to 81% purity of soda ash. That is 81% purity of the soda ash in given soda ash sample. Result of this experiment is first 10 ml diluted soda ash sample require x cm cube is equal to 8.1 cm cube of 0.1 normal HCl solution. Second, amount of sodium carbonate in the given sample of soda ash is equal to a gram is equal to 0.4293 gram. Third is percentage purity of soda ash sample is B percent, that is the 81% of soda ash sample in the given solution. Thank you for listening and watching.